Guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky and this channel name is Banky Update. Guys, information I want to give you today is concerning a platform that I have brought here, that I shared here since January. I think January this year. Yes, I think January this year or last year. Not January, but I think I share it not this January, is either last year ND or early of this year. And this platform is still paying up till now. Many people did not know that it's still paying, while some people are still making money through it. Someone like me, I am still making money on it. The platform name is called FB Wingo. FB Wingo is the name of the platform. Many people still don't know that it's still paying. But right now in this video, I am here to still show you that this platform is still paying and how you can go through it, what you need to know. I'm also going to show you my withdrawal on this platform. Since all these days, I am withdrawing on this platform all the time. I am withdrawing on this platform. Right now, let me show you my screen so that you will know what is going on there. This is my screen right now. You can see this is my screen right now. You can see I have about 3,452, and if I show you my transaction history, which is this one, okay, my withdrawal history, let me show you my withdrawal history. We see that I withdraw on this platform a lot. So these are my withdrawal history. You can see the last time I withdraw here is this date. I withdraw on the 14th of this month, and you can see my withdrawals on this platform: 18k, 12k, 18k, like that. I withdraw a lot. Let it load. It's continue loading. You can see that I withdraw on this platform. I think waiting for it to load is no more loading again, but you can see just up till now this platform is still paying. You can see the first withdrawal. You can see the first withdrawal is January 31st of January. That is my first withdrawal, and you can still see this is we are on July, right now, July. This is July, and this platform is still paying, and it's still paying even up till now. Many people did not know that it's still paying up till now, while some people are back off on it. They don't know how to go about it. But right now in this video, I'm still going to show you how to go about this platform, how to use it to make money, how to make money on it. Many people, I still see some of my guys that are cashing out about 300k weekly on this platform, 300,000 naira weekly on this platform. So let me show you something more. So these are what you are going to do. This is what you're going to be doing. You're going to go to your home page. There are a lot of game here you can play, but I will advise you to go for this one because this one is the one they are giving the update on the group. So one thing is that they have a group where they share their updates. They have a Telegram group where they drop signal for game. So when you click on this Wingo, you will see green, violent, and red here. You will see it here, and you to play it, this is how you are going to do it. So you can see there is a game want to start right now, is want to end. So one game is ending right now, so you can see. So this is what you are going to do. You will check the description of this video. I drop a Telegram group there, their Telegram group, where they drop a signal. So on the Telegram group, let me go to the Telegram group to show it to you. So when you join it, you will see something like this there on the Telegram group. So this is how you are going to be playing the game. Every day they drop signal, almost 5 minutes. 5 minutes they drop signal. It now depend on you, the one you want to play. Every 5 minutes the signal will expire every 5 minutes. So you can see this game here, which was dropped. This game has been dropped I think the time has passed, but let me use it as an example. You can see the time they drop it here. That is around 10 something. Okay, let me find today's this thing. Signal today is, what is today's date? Okay, they drop signal last, I think yesterday. Today is Sunday. No signal today. No signal today because today is Sunday. So this is how it works. Their signal is from Monday to Saturday. So this is how it works. You can see they said period 267. You will use that one to identify the game. They now tell you that choose green, select green, stage 5, which is a stage 5. They say choose green. So on this game, what you will need to be look at is this 5 minutes up here and this thing here. That one, those are the game. The 5 minutes and the green. Some they can say choose red. You can see this one here said choose red. Choose red. So let me go back to the site and show you what they mean. This one is, I think the game has passed. That is since yesterday, but I'm still going to use it to do example for you so that you can understand it. So they said choose green. Choose green. So this is it here. This is green, but if you look up here, you will see it's on Wingo 1 minute, Wingo 3 minutes, Wingo 5 minutes. So this is the Wingo they are talking about, Wingo 5 minutes. That is that 5 minutes I mentioned right now at the top. You have to select 5 minutes, Wingo 5 minutes. Then if they ask you to select green, then you just have to come here and select the green. And when you select the green, the amount you want to use to play, you will input it. For instance, let's say I want to play right now. I select green. I want to play with, let's say I want to play with 100 naira. This is how you are going to select it here: 100 naira, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. If you want to play with 200 naira, you can just select it like this times 2. You just have to be clicking on this plus sign here. If you want to lower it, you click on the minus sign. So like this, like this. If I click on it like this, that means I'm playing with 500 naira. I'm playing with 500 naira. So let me just play with 100 naira to as an example. So you can even see it down below here. As I'm selecting it, the thing is increasing down here. You can see. So that is it. So let me use 100 naira to play now. So you can see it succeed. So in remaining for me to know if I will win this game or not. This is the time remaining. Remain like 1 minute 20 seconds. So let's see. I will pause this video right now. When it gets to that period, to that time, I will play it so that you can see. Remember, all those their prediction are not always right. So sometimes you can play on your own. Sometimes you can play on your own. If you see that their prediction is against you that period, that day, or that period, it's not, they're not winning. So you can just play against them. Against, if they bring out green, you can choose to go with red, something like that, or you can choose to go with violent. If you choose, if your game comes out in violent, that means you will earn more. Violent is just like times 15s of what you put in there, or times 3 of what you want to get. So I want to know, maybe I will win right now. 2 1 0. So sorry, you lose. So that is how the games work. Right now I lost that game. That means the game is red. Let me still try with red. You can still try with red, or you can still go with that same green also. So depending, you can still go with that same green, or you can still go with red. So that is how to play the game. In case you are losing, in case you see that the prediction they give out to you, you lose. you can just from that moment you can just try and play against them because they are company. Sometimes they want to minimize their income, their profits. They want to minimize everything. So by that period you will know that these people want to get something from themselves, so you have to play against them. So that is how you play on this site, and you make money, so guys, if you are interested and you want to register, you can check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So after you registered, the next thing to do is to do what is to deposit. You can deposit either using naira, your bank account naira, or you can use USDT. That means anybody in anywhere in the world can use this platform. Anybody in the world, you can use this platform. Be that you are in India, you are in China, you are in US, Ghana, anywhere, you can use this platform by depositing using USDT. All you need to do, the minimum deposit through USDT is 10 USDT. 10 USDT TRC20. So that is the minimum. And you can also withdraw through USDT through the method you use to deposit. But if you want to deposit through, I believe everybody know how to deposit through USDT. In case you don't know it, this is how to do it. Click on the amount you want to deposit. 10 USDT is currently at this amount here in Nigeria. So click on deposit and it will show you the USDT wallet address you need to transfer the money into. So this is the USDT address. Just click on copy here and transfer the exactly 10 USDT you input. Transfer it into the wallet address. Immediately you transfer it, the money will appear. You know USDT is very fast, so it will appear. So or you want to deposit through your bank account. The minimum you can deposit through bank is 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira, and the maximum is 1 million naira. So you can use any of that, either USDT or bank. For instance, if you want to use this bank, for example, let's say I want to deposit 10,000 naira, I click on it and I click on deposit. So it will direct me to a page where I'm going to see the account number I am to pay the money into. So it will direct me to the account number. It is Paga. This is Paga. This is Paga Bank. This is the amount I am paying based on what I type in. This is the bank account number, and this is the bank name, Digital Mark Tech Company Limited. So the bank name is Paga. So after you make the payment, you have to come back here. After you transfer the money, you have to come back here and click on I have paid, and make sure it's right successful on your screen. Make sure it's right successful when you click on it. So immediately you do that, the money will appear here on your wallet, on your balance here on your wallet. Then from there you can use the money to play this game and start winning. Don't forget to join their Telegram channel below this, in the description of this video, so that you will be getting updates on prediction, on signal. You'll be getting it there. There are a lot of games you can play on this platform to make money. You can see them, lottery, you can see this one, you can see slots, you can see sports, you can see casino, rummy. A lot of game you can play. There are a lot of game you can play. There are a lot of game you can see. This is the highest earning people here. These persons have earned so far is that this person have earned 21 millions on this platform. This person have earned 11 million, while this person have earned 4 million, followed by this 3 million. Like that, people earn a lot on this platform. In case you don't know, I am a living testimony of it. I earn money on it. So in case you want to withdraw, is either you withdraw through direct to your bank, or you withdraw to your USDT. You withdraw to your USDT account wallet. So if you want to withdraw, click on withdraw. If you want to withdraw to your bank, you click it here. You can see it here. bank card, or you withdraw to your USDT based on anyone you want to do, based on the one you want to do. The minimum you can withdraw the minimum, I think minimum withdraw is 3,000. Withdrawal amount is, the minimum is 3,000 naira. So you can withdraw that. You can withdraw up to that. The minimum you can withdraw through USDT, I think is about 16,000 naira through USDT. 16,000 naira. That is about 10 USDT. 10 USDT. 10 to 11 USDT. That is the minimum you can withdraw if you are withdrawing through USDT. So that is everything you need to know about this platform. That is everything you need to know about this platform. So guys, I